Okay, for number 7, kind of looking at it, I hope you realize that looking at it, just, for the roots, you're given a graph, by the way, and I want to point out, a root here, a root here, a root here, a root there. And looking at it, certainly, I'm going to say, I think -2, let me get my eraser out. I'm sorry, -3 and 2 look like roots to me. Right, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go to the whiteboard and I'm going to try to get the 4 roots of the problem. But I think I get them exactly. Like I even think I can get this one and this one and this one and this one. But I'm going to start easy. And I'll go through the technique that we've already done before, many, many times before. So we're going to do number 7 at the whiteboard. And write it down for you. And number 7, I'll have to scroll to it in my document. And number 7, let's write this down now. Number 7 is x4. Let's see, plus 2x cubed minus 6x squared minus 7x plus 6. And I gotta be honest with you, looking at it, I'm thinking if that picture is useful, it's useful because it looks like there's 2 exact roots to it. So I'm gonna say the exact roots to me look like, it looks like 2, which means that a factor of x minus 2, and it looks like a factor of x plus 3 because the root is -3. And what I don't know is what's over here, though. And the way I'm going to do it, and by the way, this may be wishful thinking, I'm going to do a division, but these will be roots if the remainder is 0. So let's take a look. So I'm going to say, I'm going to divide by x squared plus x minus 6. I'm going to divide that into x4. And again, the picture is helpful. And let's try it. Well, x squared certainly. What do you get? x4 plus x cubed minus 6x squared. Subtract. What do you get? X cubed minus 7x plus 6. Let's try it. What are you going to get here? It looks like you need an x. What do you get there? X cubed plus x squared minus 6x. Subtract. Get minus x squared. You get minus x plus 6. Well, it looks like -1, doesn't it? You get minus x squared minus x plus 6. Well, as expected, 0. Yeah, the picture's pretty good. So what do I now know? I know x squared plus x minus 1. Let me get my eraser out and do my long division. And I see that quadratic, and that quadratic is not going to factor using finger numbers. But I can write roots down now. The roots are as follows. The roots. 2 minus 3. And the other root is going to be when this equals 0. And that's a quadratic formula. So twice a, 2. And then it's going to be the opposite of b, which is -1, plus or minus. We'll simplify this later. Let's see, 1 minus 4 times a times c. Well, c is -1, so that's going to be +4. So I think I can write this down. The roots are 2 minus 3 -1 plus or minus the root of 5 over 2. And I found the 4 roots. All right? What are you going to do? Go to the key. Let's take a look at that. See if we got those answers down for you. And by the way, they did put the approximates down for you. And they also put the exact ones down. Let me get my red ink out, though. I see the 2, I see the -3. And do I see this? Now, they write it in a little different way, by the way, but they did write down 1/2 root 5, -1/2 root 5, -half. Yeah, they got them both down. Again, they approximate as well. How they approximate them? Well, they might have looked at the picture and did that, but my suspicion is a calculator is being used. All right? Thank you.